Alright, so what I'm going to do, replace the cable on my CB handset, add this little plug in here. In between the plug and the head unit, I need to add one of these. Okay, so I've got bits I'm replacing. Work on that in a minute. Now I've got the RJ45 adapter, got the replacement cable. So that's a legit GME one. Let's call it microphone curly cord. This one is a Cat 6 cable, 0.3 meters. Just need a little one just to reach from the dash into the head unit. Now I've got some heat shrink, good old pointy nose pliers, wire strippers, a cutting knife. That's the end of my butane soldering iron, but I'm actually going to use it just to poke a hole through the wire. Let's start this. So first of all, I am going to pull this out. So red circle, make sure I put that back in there. Oh, that one's tougher. Cool. Strip that. Bit of a crank. Oop. Another bit of a crank. Black one too. See how that comes off. Yeah, cool. There we go. One. Oh. Okay, cool. Poke this through here. It's a T-splice. There's a bit of a gap in there. Okay. Definitely doing a dodgy job there. Alright, cool, that's good enough, I reckon. So this one here, so luckily this will go in the back of the dash and it clicks in the hole and that way. Now, I'll give this a bit more on the end. And these wire strippers make life easy. Just use this. Overkill. So you see that I've split these wires here into two strands of each. Hold them together, push them through the hole. Oh, one folded a bit dodge. Just clean that up a little. Alright, I'm going to close up that hole. Twist one wire one way, other wire the other way. Twist them all around. and that is a T-splice, which is, if I can hold it in front of the camera properly for you, like that. Quite a strong connection there. Through the gap, try and show it towards the camera. Close the gap. One wire towards, towards me, one wire away from me. So we've got two T-splices there to that wire, and we hope that I'll judge this right with the heat shrink. Yep. So I'm going to go over the top like that, and pull it back a bit. So that will go there. Fold that one back towards there. Pretty nice connection so far. The heating. There we go. That came out alright. Let's put that back in there. We're going pretty well. Jiggle a bit. There we go. Black. Cool. Part 1 done. Alright. Time to replace this cable. Microphone curly cord. Now I just have to go and grab some screwdrivers. Cool. Pick that one up. Let's see if this comes apart nicely. There we go. Comes out. I'm going to be careful with this. Just try to pull this one out without doing too much. Pretty tight. Glue on that side. Yeah, they crushed it up a bit like that. Just sit. Let's hope I don't break the wires. Pushing that in. So if you can see that, that's sticking out more. Aim that into that section there. Push it in. Now this is probably going to be a bit tighter. Getting it back. That might be right. Oh, look at that. Piece of cake. Don't do that too tight. Cool. That was way easy. Excellent. Alright, off we go. Chuck it in the car and see how we go. Alright, we've replaced this crappy cable with a brand new one. Yeah. Now I forgot, there's one thing I've got to add. Now I'm going to put this on later on. It's a little mic bracket here, just to slot the handpiece into. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, so I'll do that later on. But anyway, let's have a look. see how this goes. This is probably going to be the hardest bit, is plugging the head unit back in, because it is in a bugger of a spot. So let's get some light. Alright, quick look. Lights up. Hey, she lights up. Cool. Actually, let's have a look. Cool, so that's ignition. Some people may do that differently. That's pretty good for me. That's an achievement for me right now. Let's plug the back of this in into the unit. Of course it's upside down. Let's say that's been broken at some point, so that might have to be cable tied again. Oh, power. Cool, we're on. And hardly anyone uses these days, so let's have a scan, see if it finds anything. Looks okay. Oh, well, that works. So I'm thinking of hanging it around here somewhere. Maybe, I don't know, there would be cool. Maybe just down there, out the way. So I'll have links below to all the stuff that's related to this install, and I'm pretty happy that it worked, because I'm no auto electrician, that's for sure. Alright, cheers, and I'll see you next time.